Hey everybody, it's Isabel here, and today I want to show you yoga for strength. So we'll go through a few postures that are really going to build up your strength in the upper body. So get ready, get your yoga mat, get your comfy clothes, and let's go. Okay, so let's get started by just bringing awareness to the breath. So just simply close your eyes. Keep your back straight. And take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly out. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Expand your belly and slowly out. Good, and again. Bring your chin to your chest. Look up, breathe in. Breathe out, chin to chest. Look up. Chin to chest. Right ear to right shoulder. Left ear to left shoulder. And again. Good. And then just bring any other movement that feels good to your head and neck to warm up, especially if you have tension around the neck and shoulders. Good. Look over the right, over the left shoulder, over the right, and over the left. Good. Very good. Do a few shoulder rolls. Good. Take a deep breath in. Clasp your hands. Breathe out, bring the palms up and extend the arms. Good, and release. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Extend the arms. Bring the palms towards the ceiling. And release. And one more. And release. Good. And again, bring the arms up. With your arms straight, fingertips to the ceiling, move towards your left side. Good. Back to center. Breathe in. Move towards the right side. Good. And again, towards the left. Hold there. Keep pressing your sit bones on the floor. Back to center and then to the right side. And back to center. Very good. Slowly down. All right. Knees and hands on the floor for cat-cow. Good. So keep the wrists under your shoulder, knees under your hips. Good. And as you breathe in, bring the belly to the floor, lift the tailbone up, look forward. Breathe out, round the spine. Belly button in, look towards your belly button. Press the hands down. Good. And again, go a little bit deeper. Breathe in. Breathe out, round the spine. Belly button in, chin to chest. And one more. And now just bring some movement to your hips and upper back. So it's really freestyle. You move the hips from side to side. Move your back, middle back, upper back. So just getting into your body, warming up as well. Good. Do that by also connecting with your breathing. So keep connecting with your breathing. Good. And then from here, move the hands a little bit forward. Bring space in between your shoulder blades. Tap the toes under. Lift the hips up into your downward dog. Okay. Press the heels down towards the mat. Take a deep breath in. Lift the sit bones. Breathe out. Look towards your belly button. Move the chest towards your thighs. Good. Take another deep breath in.
And breathe out. Relax the head, relax the neck, relax the jaw. Good. So now come into plank. We hold here in plank. Straight line. Good. Now smile, enjoy. You're here practicing. It's a good feeling, enjoy. Even though it might get challenging, it's good that we are here alive, working the body, strengthening the body, the mind, the spirit. Good. 3, 2, 1. Bring the knees down, top of the feet on the mat. And then come down, all the way down. So bend the elbows and come down. Good. Breathe in, cobra. So lift the chest, relax the shoulders, bring shoulder blades back. And come into child's pose. Good. Big toes together, extend the arms in front of you. Take a deep breath in. Smile, breathe out, and enjoy the feeling of being here, connecting with the body, connecting with ourselves. Right. And come back to downward dog. Okay. Take a deep breath in, lift the seat bones up. Breathe out, move the chest towards your thighs, and keep the space in between the shoulder blades. Good. Now take a deep breath in, move into your plank. Now we lower down into low plank, chaturanga. So just bend the elbows, keep the elbows close to your body. Here, body is not touching the floor. And now move up into up dog. So lift the chest, thighs are off the floor. Good. And then come back into downward dog. So toes on the ground, push up. And we go again. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Over, down. So bend the elbows, come to chaturanga. Lift the chest. Good. Up dog. Good. And then back into downward dog. And we go again. Plank. Come to low plank. Body's not touching the ground. Move the chest up. Open up. Spread the collarbones. And back into downward dog. Breathe. Good. Relax. So in the beginning, this might feel very challenging. Bring the shins on the mat. Come to sit down on your heels and breathe. Bring your hands to your thighs. In the beginning of your practice, you might find this really, really challenging. But I promise you that as you go with the practice, as you do this often, you will see the changes. You'll see your body getting stronger and stronger. Okay? So just take another deep breath in. And slowly out. Open up your eyes, bring your hands behind your back, squeeze the shoulder blades together, lift the arms up. Good, bring your head to the floor, lift the knuckles up. Good, bring the hands down, bring the arms down into child's pose. And slowly come back. Good. Take another deep breath in, all together. And slowly up. Open your eyes. Okay. Namaste. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this. Hope you have enjoyed this practice. Make sure to keep your practice maybe every day, 5-10 minutes, build it up.
as you do this practice, you will notice that your body is getting stronger and stronger. I did this in the beginning, I could only do a few, and now with the practice I can do many more. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, hit on that notification bell, because this year we will be sharing with you lots of free content with yoga, fitness, mindset and wellness. It's all for me right now. Mwah. Ciao!